and gas industry is one of the keys for the Russian economy. Russian Federation contains over 6% of world's oil reserve and 27% of its natural overall gas. In the world of tight competition and constantly growing demands for the participants and members of the oil and gas market community, oil and gas equipment plant Technovek is proudly taking and maintaining leading position. Technovek is a multi-profile enterprise. The initial stage of its operation takes us back to the year 2000, and it was certainly the toughest one. We've started by only producing studs and nuts for the needs of Lukoil Corporation. It was only the beginning of the great path. Daily, Technovek was working on the development and new cutting-edge technologies, implementation, along with upgrading of the company's production equipment. Technovek implemented its own development plan, which consists of several parts, such as increasing the production volume and broadening of its production line, raising its performance level and the level of competitive ability, broadening of its clients base, and creating of brand new workplaces for people. As for today, our product quality complies with all requirements of ISO 9001 standard, which guarantees high-quality production of all styles and shapes. We're currently in the process of acquisition and approval of the API Q1, 6A, and 6D certificates, which we will acquire approximately within 6 to 9 months time period. It is only a start of our brand management and quality control system. In our research lab, specifically designed for conducting destructive and non-destructive studies, our specialists test various materials for their chemical and mechanical features. We conduct tests for tensile, resource, and resistance, including ones and below zero temperatures. Also, ultrasonic surface and capillary tests are part of our routine. Regular checking and calibration of measuring tools and equipment is taking place in our other lab and is conducted by certified professionals. Today, Technovek gained a reputation of a reliable partner, maker of quality competitive oil and gas equipment. Since 2011, we follow the newly scientifically developed concept of thrifty operation, based in management of unnecessary losses and waste, involving not only management but also all the employees of the overall Technovek facility. In line with well-known 6S system, we follow all the principles of safety and security of each workplace and the plant at large. With this, we also are successfully managing the effectiveness of pure work time of every workplace. Safety and quality are slogans for our employees. Employees are the ones who certainly make it happen. So one of the key aspects of our care and focus is a social vector and responsibility. Our enterprise employs over 1,000 people. The average age of the employee is about 35 years old. We pay people well above the federal average wage, and on top of the mandatory social obligations, we offer our employees a variety of other benefits. In our days, modern technologies are developing and progressing with impressive speeds of 21st century. Something that was cutting edge yesterday is barely useful today and almost obsolete tomorrow. We heavily invest in new technologies and research. Thus, from 2012, we have launched our own foundry, which allowed us to better and faster accommodate our clients' requirements and rely only on our quality standards without depending solely on suppliers. Since launching, we have mastered the cold hardening casting method. We also launched our DC arc furnace and the induction furnace as well. Technovek plant is situated on 10,000 square kilometers of land. Over 350 pieces of equipment of various complexity operate on a 24-hour cycle basis in 14 industrial buildings. Monthly, we produce over 4,000 various gate valves and over 500 various modification Christmas trees. With broadening of its production line, Technovek is constantly buying new equipment from world-known brands that guarantee high quality. We also are currently in the process of construction of a new building which will be home to the large block equipment assembly shop, additional warehouse, and another administrative building. Our construction and design department is aimed at our product specific and is capable of fulfilling of all kinds of complicated technical tasks. It employs 40 highly educated professionals who carry out all the design and corrective documentation strictly following the Unified Design Documentation System. The latest cutting-edge IT technologies are used. During the years of its operation, the design department developed and introduced over 1,500 various complexity technical solutions. 16 of them are officially patented and 30 more are currently in the process of reserving all patent rights. Technovek is regularly being audited on an annual basis. In the past, we were audited to comply with ISO 9001 certification of quality. In the year 2016, we will be audited for compliance with API standards. Technovek is constantly looking to widen its production line and add various new products to it. Our catalog offers over 200 different units of equipment. Each of them could be manufactured in various different modifications. Our production line features wellhead equipment, reservoir pressure maintenance equipment, shut-off and control valving, filtering equipment, lubricators, pipe isolating systems, measuring units. We produce our equipment in accordance with customer specifications. Designed and manufactured at Technovek, our famous disc gate valve is used as a part of Christmas trees, injection manifold units, and pipelines. In comparison with conventional gate valves, Technovek's ZD type valve is equipped with one motion arm. Minimal inside free space allows shutting and opening in critical temperatures without additional prior heating. It is very easy to mount and maintain. In addition to the basic model, there are disc choke 3-position valves and revolving type valves. Technovek pays close attention to most recent high-tech trends applicable to the industry. Our highly technical flow meters are designed to take measurements in the wide pressure and temperature range with increased associated gas factor, high flow inconsistency, and also near angular bendings in pipelines. We have also mastered the production of vortex acoustic sensors for our flow meters. From the year 2011, we manufacture our GZU measurement unit that is designed for precise management of gas and crude oil components of the flow. The obtained data could be digitally collected from several wells and sent to the dispatch control unit for analysis. Technovek has its own building construction unit that fulfills own construction projects of different levels. We have launched our own transportation department, which will deliver to any point in the world. It also takes care of delivering of materials for purchasing department and also employee transportation. The best proof of our good quality work is great and grateful responses from our steady clients. Clients like Rosneft, Lukoil, Gazprom, Tatneft, Bashneft, and others. Also, Technovek was included into the list of best producers of wellhead equipment by Russian Oil and Gas Ministry. Great traditions, vast experience, highly skilled and responsible personnel of Technovek all are guarantee of excellent quality of our product that suits highest levels of world standards.